In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 120 frames per second, or FPS, on CapCut. If you've ever wondered how to achieve smoother video playback and enhance the overall quality of your project, you're in the right place. Stick around as I walk you through the steps. This quick process will help you unlock the best performance from your video creations. To start, open CapCut on your computer. You can either create a new project from scratch or open an existing project that you want to enhance. This is the point where you set the foundation for your video. Making sure you're working on a capable project is crucial, as any adjustments depend on the quality of the source video being compatible with your desired outcome. Once you have your project open, you'll want to navigate to the export settings. Locate the export option, typically positioned at the top of your screen, and click on Download. This is where all the magic happens, as these settings determine the final look and feel of your video. Within the export menu, you should find a section labeled Frame Rate. This is an important attribute that regulates the smoothness of your video. Here, you need to select the option for 120 FPS, but be sure to check if this setting is available for your project and that your source video supports it. CapCut, much like any other editing software, relies on the initial footage's properties. It can't generate more frames than are present in the source file. After selecting your frame rate, proceed by clicking either Save or Apply, depending on the interface version you're using. This confirmation ensures that your selected frame rate of 120 FPS is recorded and ready for the final export. Keep in mind that your ability to export at such a high frame rate may depend on your computer's hardware capabilities as well as the version of CapCut you're using. Modern editing requires adequate processing power and graphics support, so check these aspects if you encounter limitations. To sum it up, while CapCut is a powerful tool, it's essential to understand that the software's ability to enhance frame rates doesn't exceed the boundaries of your original footage. Also, be aware that exporting takes a significant amount of processing, so ensuring that your device is up to speed will prevent frustration and loss of quality. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're all set to export your video at a buttery smooth 120 FPS on CapCut, taking your video editing prowess to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. Happy editing!